Welcome to Wikwemikong High School, Wikwemikong High School, and I'd like to introduce you to our brand new and really exciting project. This is a 30-foot Voyager canoe that is being constructed with the assistance of some resource people, but being constructed by our outdoor education class.
So the other really cool thing about the materials that are in here, everything came from the island. So it's white cedar, there are the strips. It all has come from the island, all the ash, everything has come from the island. So it's a homegrown boat. How many strips? We got it somewhere around 220, I think it is, somewhere there's the strips start out at 18 feet because I can't cut them any longer, and they would be very difficult to work with any longer than that. So there'd be the strips, the ash, there's still seats, there's gunnels, there's a bunch of other, there's the ribs that are over there that are going to be placed on the inside of the boat once we get to the inside of the boat. There's a fair amount of material in it. Yeah.
Today we have just completed the first layer of fiberglass and epoxy on our 30-foot Voyager canoe. This is a milestone. This is, one of the important parts of the build, because this is what gives it its strength, its resiliency. At this point, it is now waterproof. Okay, so at this stage of the build, what we've accomplished is we've fiberglassed and attached in the seat rails. We've got fiberglass layer on the inside of the boat. Stems are done, and now we're ready to start putting in the ribs and the seats. Last thing will be the gunnels along the edges. So as you can see, we're really excited. This is it. We're right in the home stretch. You've been watching our canoe build. Here it is. We finally completed it. This is 30 feet of students' commitment, 30 feet of perseverance, 30 feet of learning, 30 feet of authentic Aboriginal culture, 30 feet of pride. I don't know many other examples where you can literally feel, touch, right, and experience the learning that occurs in this kind of environment. So thank you to Wikwemikong Board of Ed and by Path or Paddle. We're putting it in the water tomorrow. Stay tuned for that.
Yeah!
Hey!
Yeah!
Hey, Jackie! Nice city, man!
To be honest, I just thought it was really cool. Like, hands-on work. Like, to actually see something this big that we did ourselves, it's kind of unbelievable. Surreal.